Hello, I'm Hansamithika Pamila Amachi. My student ID is 30423990. Our project is Voice Enabled AI Chatbot with Context Awareness in LMS. This is our Sprint 1 retrospective. Um, as we go to project overview, it is Voice Enabled Chatbot which is integrated with Learning Management System. We use Moodle for that one. So it supports students, instructors as well as administrators. So it automates responses to academic queries and tracks student engagement and system performance, etc. This is our Sprint 1 retrospective. Sprint 1 started 18th of March 2025 and it ended 8th of April 2025. So this is our team members. So we consist of two backend developers, one front-end developer, and one business analyst. My main role is working as a backend developer. I'm partially working on business analyst as well as automation tester. So these are our Sprint 1 user stories. We selected 14 user stories as our Sprint 1 user task. So among those, I have selected, I got 4 user stories, which is like research about testing tools and define chatbot requirements and the test align with the user need and environment setup for the backend developments and create UML diagrams for AI chatbot system. So these are the evidence of our Sprint 1. As you can see here, this is our backlog in Sprint 1. We have done with the agreed tasks. And these are the evidence. Again, this is Confluence page and the Jira board. And this is our Figma user interfaces, wireframes that we have uh, designed, and the flow charts and the UML diagrams. So at the end of the sprint one, we got sprint burn down chart as well. As you can see here, this is our sprint burn down chart for sprint one. So we have created a retro board as well. So inside that, when doing the sprint retro, so we have discussed what went well and what to improve. By considering those things, we got some action items like break down UI tasks into smaller subtasks, etc. So we have got some changes for Sprint 2, so which is like finalize UI UX designs at the beginning of the sprint, and we have to have the plan of begin the testing earlier, then we can do the compatibility testing as well, especially, and we have to start breaking large tasks like LMS API setup into smaller testable units as well. So this is my contribution, individual contribution in Sprint 1. So what I did is I set up my module environment with all the integrations, and I set up my backend development environment like Postman, Node.js with VS Code, GitHub as well. So then after that, I researched and created and ready backend related UML diagram, and I participated sprint planning and contributed to writing user stories and acceptance criteria. And finally, I made the Gantt chart and the backlog for arrange the task. By using this Confluence page, you can see my all the works which I have done. So again, these are the evidence of work that I have done. So Gantt chart and Postman set up UML diagrams and uh, user stories. And yeah, this is my VS Code environment setup with the Node.js and the GitHub as well. So these are my user stories in Jira board for Sprint 1. As you can see here, I can finish all the, I have done all the user stories which assigned to me. So I got this specific knowledge to my project by applying backend development experience to design secure, scalable modules using JavaScript, especially with the Node.js. And I used my prior testing experience to ensure validation of the user inputs, and of course leverage API integration knowledge to connect OpenAI and Moodle LMS securely. And those are the things that I have got like from my experience. So I have learned so many things. So one of them is like I gained a deeper understanding of modules, plugin structure, and the API limits. And I improved skill in designing context-aware conventional flows for chatbot. So still we are going with this one, like as a small step we got that one. So and I learned how to work more collaboratively using tools like GitHub, Confluence, Jira board as well. So while I'm doing, like, I got some errors. So this is what I got errors. So by configuring the modules. So yeah, I learned a lot of things by doing those things. And what could have gone better in the sprint is like, of course I have faced minor delays settings of the configurating module, and I have to communicate with front-end team, which means like our front-end developer could have been better. And like we should have to get voice testing to take more time than we expected, and I need to learn about voice training to improve accuracy as well. So when it comes to client and supervisor feedback, so according to supervisor, like she confirmed that the project is processing according to the plan and acknowledge the team's effort in documenting user stories and test settings of the module integration as well. So our client Miraj, he given us a best compliment, and a good compliment. So he confirmed that it is an impressive progress and agreed with the roadmap as well. So this is the sprint retro basically. So I hope you will understand all this. Thank you so much.